All right, so search, quick open, include history. Whether to include results from recently opened files in the file results for quick open. So what is quick open? Quick open is when you press Control P or Command P on a Mac. You have this little quick open tab, and you can search for files that you have here. So if I search for JSON, I will get all the JSON files in my workspace and recently opened JSON files. Now, I do find it useful when I'm searching for files, I just want the files that are on my workspace, right? So I would actually rather use the false option here so that I'm only searching for files that are on my workspace. However, when I'm actually if I'm using the full editor, I just navigate to whatever file I want, or if I'm in Zen mode, I use Shift Command P to select the breadcrumbs and navigate to a particular file from here. Now this is the settings. File, so it doesn't really make much sense, but let's say I'm working on this index file, right? And now if I press Shift Command period, I can navigate my whole tree, and I can see I have my whole repository here and can switch files very easily like this. So let's go back. I would rather have even though I don't really use quick open that much, I would rather have the settings set to false, so that when I'm searching for a particular file, I'm only searching in files that exist in the workspace right now.